Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is Citroën EC4X. And this is by Matchbox, and this is from their moving part series. And again I bought this for $399, which is the MRP, and I bought it from Hamleys. So let's open this and see how this one looks. Okay, that one came out pretty quick. So let's throw this away. Okay, so here it is. So the initial impressions of this car are like, it looks good. It is not like very nice or fabulous or anything. It looks good. It has some detailing, engine detailing to it. Let me just put it this way. It has some engine detailing to it. Let me try. Okay, it's not opening more than this. This is the final level which you can open. Let me try to close it. Okay, so the paint job looks really nice. It's a glittery gray. So as usual, we need to thank Mattel's quality control. You can see scratches here. It's a free gift from them, so you can get it with every car nowadays. So as usual, the tail lights, these are painted, and headlights are also painted, and here the grille details are actually painted. So in the bottom you can see this is a little bit embossed, which is okay. So the interior detail looks good. Since it's fully transparent, you can see at least everything inside, and they included the rear view mirrors, which is really nice. I'm pretty disappointed about this. See, you have engine detailing inside, but you can't able to see it that much because it has this limitation. And the body is made of metal and the chassis is plastic, but to be very honest with you guys, the body feels like it is made of plastic. It's very light. It is too light. It feels very cheap, like this 10-20 rupee cars which we used to buy when we are kids. It doesn't even worth $399 if you ask me. So the rims looks really nice. That is the only plus point in this model. So let's do a roll test and see how this one drives. It rolls okay. It's not smooth. It's not smooth at all, but it rolls okay. And both wheels wobble a lot, as you can see. It's not really that good of a model to play in tracks or in general to play anywhere. So if you are a collector, if you just want to collect, you can buy it. Personally, I won't suggest this one to anyone because it is not really that good. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.